Hey there, you great people. I hope you've been so well. Thank you for tuning in once again. And also thank you quickly to Misty and Marvy Cruz for subscribing. Thank you so very much. By the way, today is going to be a great day and I'm excited. The reason for that is I'll put this video together for you now. It's 8:30 in the morning and in 10 minutes, 8:40, my friend is picking me up in his car. My friend Mike, a really good friend of mine, to take me down to a place called Trago Mills. It's about half an hour's drive or so from here. And if you're wondering what Trago Mills is, it's just a very large department store that's spread out over 2 floors, and it's sorry, and it's 18,000 square foot. They literally sell everything you could imagine, from ride-on lawnmowers to home goods to baby stuff to carpets to hunting and fishing gear. You name it, they've pretty much got it there. I'm not going down for any of those things. I'm actually going down to buy some fireworks. Trago Mills are not an all year round licensed seller of fireworks. However, from the 15th of October every year to the 5th of November, they're allowed to sell fireworks for what we called Bonfire or Guy Fawkes night here in this country, which is on the 5th of November. So they have those almost 3 weeks to sell. And also they can also sell them again this year from the 26th of December, what we call Boxing Day here in England, until the 31st of December. So they've got them 5 days towards the end of the year as well to sell them for like New Year's Eve firework displays. And like I said, he's going to be here very, very soon. But whilst I'm out, and you'll see this on screen in a minute, the GoPro's going with me. And to get there, we've got to cross over one of Britain's largest moors. And on the moors, there's a beautiful lake called LiQWYD Lake that's stocked with rainbow trout and brown trout. So hopefully I'll get that on the camera for you. But also roaming around the moor is wild ponies, horses, and also different types of cattle, sheep, and all sorts of other things, which you'll probably see on the screen now. I'm recording this intro before I leave, but like I said, the GoPro's going with me. So I'll record a little bit of footage and also do the outro and snip this all into one video. So next up on the screen now, you will see us going across Bodmin Moor. And then towards the end of the video will be when I'm home, and I'll show you what fireworks I bought. But please do not skip to the end of this video because it's really interesting. Bodmin Moor, absolutely ancient. Like I said, it's one of the biggest moors in this whole country, in the United Kingdom. And some of the wildlife is really amazing there. So check out the next little bit on the video here, and I'll see you for the outro. Hey there, you great people. So we're on our way here. On the left here, you can see LiQWYD Lake, which is the largest lake in Cornwall. And where we're driving across here is a moor called Bodmin Moor, and it's one of the largest moors in the whole of the UK. And we have to cut across it to get to a large 18,000 square foot store that I'm heading to, called Trago Mills, which is just outside of a town called LiQWYD, and we're still in my county of Cornwall here. Obviously the purpose of this visit today is to go and get some fireworks so I could do a really good fireworks demonstration on November the 5th, which in England is called Guy Fawkes night or Bonfire night. So I'm going to do an amazing display on the 5th of November, which is going to be incredible, and I'm getting excited about it. Further up the road here, we'll just stop off in a little car park so I can show you a little bit of a closer view of LiQWYD Lake here, which you see in front of you. I'll just pan around from left to right and back again. By the way, I'm now on my way home, having picked up the fireworks. We're going back the way we come when we spot these rather large Highland Longhorn cattle at the side of the road. So I thought I'd quickly show you these cattle before I get home, and I'll reveal the fireworks in a moment. Well, I hope you enjoyed a little trip across the moors with me there. And as I was just saying then, the lake you've seen in the video just now on the left hand side of the road, LiQWYD Lake, I've actually looked it up since I got home, and actually that lake is actually Cornwall's biggest lake at 682 acres, or the same size as 682 football pitches. When I got down to Trago, some of the fireworks they had on the website had not been delivered yet, so I had to make substitutions with the fireworks for very similar to what I wanted in the first place. But actually it worked out quite well. I ended up spending 10 English pounds less than I thought I would. However, the selection of fireworks I've got is incredible, and I'm actually very, very happy. We actually got there, so we set off at 8:40. We got there 20 minutes after opening at 9:20. And I've just got home now at 12:10. So we've got there, had a good look round, and got back in just 3.5 hours. So I'm really happy. And again, thank you to my friend Mike for taking me down. I'm going to take you into the kitchen now as I've laid the fireworks out on the floor. And I'm going to quickly show you what I've got. And you're going to be quite impressed. I'm impressed. And just go through them very quickly. And the reason, like I said, I bought these fireworks every year on the 5th of November. We have a day called Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night, where a lot of people have their own garden fireworks displays. They have them at the rugby club, like proper professional displays everywhere, all over the country. We're taking the kitchen anyway now, and I'll show you what I bought. Bought a rather large selection. I didn't skimp on fireworks. So here we are. I've spread them out on the kitchen floor for you to look at. So let's go through them. I'll have to get down on the floor here. So I've ended up buying this 20 pack of TNT airstrike rockets, and this comes with 7 of the large strike rockets. It comes with 6 of the medium size flame rockets and 7 of the smaller booster rockets. Quite an impressive pack, and actually quite large. Then I've gone and bought these fountains by TNT Fireworks. This is 2 separate fountains just packaged together. The one on the left is a Girls Fountain, and the one on the right is Goblins Fountain. And actually, they're pretty large. And if I show you on the side, each one of these fountains, if you look there, NEC means net explosive content. So each one of these fountains got 80 grams of explosive in, and I've watched a video on YouTube and they are incredible. Then a brand I've very rarely bought from before, Cosmic Fireworks. I bought this 12 piece, Orion selection box, and I know in here there's 9 fountains and 3 shock tubes, which is incredible. I've then gone and bought, you can see, 2 of these packs of 5 Star Strobe Roman candles by Cosmic Fireworks. And these Star Strobe fireworks, each one of the 5 fireworks has a different effect, but all of them shoot a single ball in the air with a massive bang and crackles. They're going to be incredible. I've then gone and bought 2 of these quite large mines by TNT. And these are 100 shot Screaming Demons barrages. As you see, I've got 2 of them. I've then gone and bought, for the first time ever, by a company I've never bought from before, called Skycrafter, this 100 shot Snappy Days fountain. And again, I've watched a short video on YouTube of this, and this literally is a minute long of amazing bangs. It's incredible. I've then gone and bought as well this pack of giant gold sparklers. One thing I'm missing at the minute, but Dad's bringing them later, which is picked up from Lidl supermarket, is another pack of shock tubes, a bit like these, but they're a little bit thicker, a bit longer. It's a pack of 4 shock tubes by Standard Fireworks or Black Cat. Hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and a little trip across the moors with me. Again, these fireworks here, along with some other ones, some firecrackers, I'll be setting off on an awesome display out there in the garden on the 5th of November for my garden fireworks display. So please keep checking into my channel, and that fireworks display is going to be incredible. I cannot wait to try some of these fireworks out. Most of the fireworks I have here I've never bought before or never even set off, so I'm interested myself. Thanks for checking on the video. Once again, I'll probably gonna have another video up later today, so please keep checking in the channel. As I always say, please like, especially subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Have yourselves a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all later.